So when you're ready to start adding content to your Moodle page, the most important button that you need to use is up here in the top right hand corner. It's called Turn Editing On. And when I click this button, the page is going to look pretty different than what it looks like right now. Right now it's pretty plain, not much to it. But when I click the Turn Editing On button, and as soon as it loads, you'll start to see that there's many more features that you can use, and you can add different features to your page. Anywhere you see a pen with a little piece of paper, that's like an edit button, and you see how it says edit summary there, edit summary. Anytime you see that, that's the edit button. So when you add something and you want to change it, or you want to just initially put something on under a topic or on the top of your page, you can use that button. That's the edit button. So for instance, I'll show you how to, if we want to put, let's say we want to put announcements at the top of our page. What I would do is I'd click on the edit summary button, and it's basically just a blank space where you can use this right here is your WYSIWYG controller. It stands for what you see is what you get. It's all the different features that you can change. You can change the size of the writing, the font, bold, italics, underline, change the color of the text, the background of the text. You can put links in, you can put pictures in, you can embed code so you can upload videos. I'll show you how to do all that a little bit later. But if we want to just put a general announcement, let's say we want to put that there's going to be a test coming up soon. So I'm going to put test Friday chapter 1 and 2. Okay, so pretty simple. So what I can do there is I can then highlight it. I can change the size. Let's say I want to make it nice and big so they see it as soon as they open the page. So maybe I'll change it to 18. I want it to be bright red so it sticks out as soon as the student opens the page. They see that. I'll bold it, underline it, whatever. And then you can also, if you want to put it inside of this button here, will give you a background color. So let's say I want to put a background color of that, and I click Save Changes, and when it goes back to the main page, you see there's a nice big bright announcement at the top, and that's a place you can put announcements. You can put a course description. You can put anything you want there, and that's basically just a blank space for you to put anything you want there. And the way that you change it is to use this Edit Summary button. So if I click back on that, and let's say I want to add something else. Now it's gonna stay in the same color and same background color and font as the previous one, unless you change it back. So let's say I want to do something about a research paper that might be due. So research paper due May 12th. And let's say I want to make that a little bit different looking, so I'll just go back and I can change the text back to black. Can make the color again white. Let's say I get rid of the bold and the underline, and let's say I want to change it to this one, the blue, so it's a little bit different looking than the test announcement. I'll just click the Save Changes, and again that shows up there as well. So anytime you want to add something to either the top portion or any of the other topics that you see 1, 2, 3, 4, use the Edit Summary button, which is basically the pen and paper button. And then lastly, when you're done editing something, you can turn the editing off with the same button at the top right, and all of those features will go away, and then it'll just look like a regular course page with your announcements.